Hey everyone! Today let's dive into a crucial topic for any business student ensuring quality in supply chain management. If you want to thrive in the business world, mastering this aspect can really set you apart. First off, let's talk about quality management. It's all about maintaining a high standard for products and services throughout every stage of the supply chain. This involves everything from raw materials to final delivery. Think of it as your golden rule book for consistency and excellence. Now, quality assurance is a bit different, but equally important. While quality management is the big picture, quality assurance focuses on the processes to achieve that high standard. It's like having a checklist to ensure every step meets the required quality. So how do you ensure quality in supply chain management? Here are 3 key steps. First, select reliable suppliers. Your supply chain is only as strong as its weakest link. Do thorough research, conduct audits, and build strong relationships with your suppliers. This way you can trust that the materials you're getting are top-notch. Second, implement strict quality control measures. Regular inspections and testing are essential. This means setting up quality checkpoints throughout the supply chain, from production to packaging. The goal is to catch any issues early and address them promptly. Third, invest in training and development. Your team needs to understand the importance of quality and how to maintain it. Regular training sessions and workshops can keep everyone on the same page and committed to the same standards. But it doesn't stop there. Continuous improvement is key. Use data and feedback to identify areas for improvement and make necessary adjustments. Remember, quality management is an ongoing process. To wrap it up, ensuring quality in supply chain management isn't just about meeting standards. It's about exceeding them. By selecting reliable suppliers, implementing strict quality control measures, and investing in training, you can build a robust supply chain that stands the test of time, and always keep an eye out for ways to improve. That's it for today, folks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more business tips. Thanks for watching.